Are you interested in installing solar on your home or business? Solar Direct USA can help guide the way. Check out our customer portal for insightful information about what options are available to homeowners like yourself, how much space they need based off their energy consumption habits, and more. Questions customers should ask when choosing an installer company that suits them best. Who we are. As a 100% full-service solar provider, we're not a dealer and everything is done in-house. We make it easy, and we help thousands of people get solar every month. We offer the fastest install times in the industry, with a national average of 28 days compared to industry average of 60 or more days. We have agreements with top US panel manufacturers, so there are no supply chain issues. We also have proven leadership with C-suite executives that include former employees and executives at Vivint Solar, SolarCity, Vivint Inc., Google, and others. Trusted service. Our Solar Direct USA promise covers your solar energy systems production, workmanship, and equipment. 24/7 support. Our team of customer service experts is ready to help you any time of day. Well experienced. Our team has over 50 combined years of experience with renewable energy systems, and we're ready to work hard to make sure you get quality service out of these assets. Low maintenance. If you want to ensure your home's electricity doesn't come at a price, spikes, or brownouts, then solar power is an excellent way for it. With no moving parts in the system, there are very few maintenance costs involved. The inverter will need replacing after 15 years of use though, so make sure this isn't affecting how long they'll last before needing service again. Easy installation. Solar Direct USA is the leading solar installation company. We specialize not only at installing your new system, but also helping you take advantage of tax credits and other savings opportunities to make it worth all for you. The whole spectrum. Let our team of experts evaluate your home and provide you with honest production estimates for a solar panel system. We'll also walk through financing options, work to optimize state and federal incentives, as well as make sure all potential costs are understood so there's no surprises down the line. When we're done, informed homeowners like yourself can invest in their energy future without confidence worries. Solar installation. When you install solar panels, they generate energy that's used to power your home or business. When there isn't any sun shining on them for an extended period of time, like at night, they store this excess power in batteries and send it back out into the grid so we can all benefit from clean electricity. Maintenance and training. The right maintenance will ensure your investment lasts for years to come. Our team has over 50 combined years of experience with renewable energy systems, and we're ready to work hard to make sure you get quality service out these assets. Alternative energy sources. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that can power your home with efficiency. It's also an easy way to cut back on fossil fuels while helping the environment. What more could you ask for? For more info, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.